Hi everyone, we are at Mumbai and I'm already super excited because I can't wait to enjoy the food and the streets of Mumbai. So come along with me. It's the same day we landed and enjoy with the caption. Walking through the streets of Bandra, Mumbai, you are surrounded by a blend of old world charm and modern energy. From colorful street art and quaint cafes to bustling markets and historical bungalows, all set against the backdrop of the Arabian Sea. Bandra's lively vibe captures the spirit of Mumbai where tradition meets creativity at every turn. At night, Marine Drive sparkles with the city light along the coastline, creating a peaceful escape by the sea. Here is the next day, and the breakfast was 10 on 10. We did add Cafe Colony. One thing which is so remarkable is Mumbai's colonial architecture, which is stunning blend of Gothic spires, intricate facade, grand arches where stone carved detail meets sweeping verandas and towering of domes. Each building stands as a timeless piece of art, rich with history and adorned with elegance. It's beautiful. As I mentioned, today we are going to cover Elephanta Cave, for which I was super excited. So for that, you have to book a ferry from Gateway of India, and it took us 1 hour to be there at Elephanta Island. But look at the view! Wow. Arriving at Elephanta Island, the lush greenery and calm waters create a beautiful setting. When you step off the boat, you see the natural beauty around the caves where art and nature come together. You will find a beautiful market on the way. Here we are at the main cave of Elephanta, that is cave number 1. And walking into the caves, you will discover incredible rock carving dating back to 5th to 8th centuries. The main cave is adorned with stunning sculptures dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva. So let's explore together. Starting from the Nataraja Shiva, which lies at the right hand side of the main entrance and bank opposite of Yogeshwara Shiva. Ravana lifting Kailash sculpture. This sculpture has Shiva with Parvati by his side, residing on Kailash, surrounded by other deities in the upper half. Considered a masterpiece of Gupta Chalukyan art, this is the most important and most impressive sculpture in the cave. There is an amount of calmness and serenity I experienced. It's the only sculpture that has not suffered much in the term of destruction. To the right of the Trimurti is another beautiful sculpture broken into pieces, the story of the holy river Ganga descending to the earth from Shiva's matted hair. And the left to Trimurti is probably the best sculpture except the masterpiece signifying man and woman as equal. Of the 7 caves of Elephanta, only cave number 1 is profusely adorned with sculptures. The others are almost plain looking, and 3 of them are even incomplete. Cave number 2 has a porch with 4 pillars in front and 2 small rooms. Cave number 3 has an oblong hall and a carving of a male figure with 6 arms on the doorway. And the others, like cave number 4, is similar to cave number 3 and has a large veranda. Cave number 5 is unfinished. Elephanta Caves, as like the other rock cut caves, remind us that art is timeless, connecting us with the spirit and creativity of those who came before. As we both were so excited to travel in this local train, and luckily it was Sunday, and see, this is less crowded. Yeah. So yeah, we were heading towards Kala Ghoda, and I love this street. Look at these buildings; they are just wow. You will find the whole street full of art, And yeah, it's outside the Jahangir Art Gallery, initiated by artist K.M. Shenoy. How one artist's passion created a whole gallery on Kala Ghora's street. I always wanted to visit the Chore Bazaar of Mumbai, and here we are. But unfortunately, we were a bit late and the shops were closing. But luckily, we found a bhaiya who had a great collection of old records and very huge collection of all these. I don't have many videos because they don't allow you to shoot. So we were back to hotel and look at these pictures. These are amazing, isn't it? The IKEA experience was so amazing. We enjoyed the shopping, we enjoyed the food. So here I'm ending the vlog. Hope you have enjoyed. It was very tough to compile the whole trip in one vlog, but I tried my best. So don't forget to subscribe and wait for the next vlog for shopping haul.